Hey guys, this is Prakash here. Today we are going to learn a very important thing which if you are a YouTube maker or if you are working in design industry or graphic designing industry, I think it's gonna help you a lot. And the topic which we are going to learn today is about how to make a GIF file. I think you all know about GIF file. We have one single photograph which is called picture or image, and when we include all those photographs into one, it becomes one file which is called GIF, and it has an effect as well, probably a transition effect or some animation or whatever you want. You can set it up. So let's move on. For an example, suppose I have couple of uh, emails, sorry, not emails, I have couple of photographs which I want to include into a GIF file. So what we need to do, we just need to go to a website called GIF Maker. This is the right link, gifmaker.me. Just open that website, upload the photograph which you want to convert into GIF. So let's select couple of photographs. So I have selected these 8 photographs which I want to convert into GIF. It's very easy. It is uploading all the images which we selected. So here we go. As you can see, we have all the images here. Now we have couple of things which we need to keep in mind. First of all, what is the size we are trying to make it into? So as we go left, it will become smaller. As we go right, it will become bigger. So let's keep it in middle. Animation speed, as you can see, if you go right, the animation speed will be less, and if you go left, animation speed will be really fast. So let's keep it this way, so it's not that fast, it's not that slow. I think that's it, and just create GIF animation. Once it is created, you can see these links over here. So let's have a look. We can download it directly from download the GIF, but before that, let's have a look of this GIF, how it's looking. So here you go. As you can see, the effect automatically it's being moving forward, and that's one of the main properties of GIF files. It's awesome, isn't it? And pretty cool, easy most of all. So now what we can do, we can either download it from here, download the GIF image, or we can download it from the original website. So it's up to you. Once you download it, wherever you want to save, it will be saved. So save it. Now it is saved. I'm going to, it is saved under my downloads, and now we can open it in our picture manager. And yeah, can you have a look? I think it's awesome. So in our next couple of videos, we will learn that how to make another animation effects in our GIF files. But for this lesson, I think this is good enough, and this is what I want to share with you. I hope it helps you in your professional career. Whether you are a freelancer or working in an organization. Thank you very much, guys, and if you do like this video, please subscribe my channel. Please do hit thumbs up button, It's just give me in an encouragement to make more videos and share my knowledge with you. Thank you very much and have a good day.